Today is Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020 at 3:40 p.m. and I'm calling the Lapeer County, Michigan Prosecutor Mike Sharkey's office. He wasn't re-elected, so he's probably in Hawaii right now.
You have reached Lapeer County. For animal control, press 1. If you have been subpoenaed to appear in court, press 2. For Paternity Division, press 3. For the Prosecutor's Office, press 4.
One moment, please. Prosecutor's Office, this is Becky.
Becky?
Yes.
Hi, Becky. I need to know the procedure for filing a felony complaint against an officer who works in Lapeer County. And I was told by Dana Nessel's office to call the Lapeer County Prosecutor. Can you tell me the process to do that?
Can you tell me what police agency it is here in Lapeer County?
Well, it's a local police agency. City.
Okay, that's fine. Have you talked to the supervisor at that agency?
This is.
I don't need to ask you too many questions.
This is a felony complaint, and
Okay. All right, sir. Let me see if I can get some more information for you.
Okay, great. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Now, this would be a complaint against a specific officer.
Correct.
Is that correct?
Actually, two of them.
Okay, let me see what I can do.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just a moment,
Ma'am, these are felonies.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You said you talked to the Attorney General's office?
Yeah, they just said that I had to contact the local prosecutor.
Okay. Well, a prosecutor's office would review police reports that come to us from any police agency within Lapeer County. If it is a Lapeer County agency, we would recommend that you, 1, contact the MSP office here in Lapeer County.
Wait a minute.
Or 2...
Wait. What is the MSP?
Michigan State Police.
Okay.
And ask them to file a report.
Right.
Or talk to you. I mean, first they need to meet with you and take some information, and then they would decide if there's enough information to file a report with our office, or they would talk to our office.
Right. See, that's all conflicting information. I already talked to the Michigan State Police, and the Michigan State Police told me that I had to contact the Lapeer County Prosecutor and also the Chief of Police of the municipality that the occurrence happened.
Mm-hmm.
And
when did you talk to a trooper or the agency about that? State Police.
This was back in July, ma'am.
I'm sorry, but they've given you some misinformation. Any reports that come to us come through a police agency.
Right, and to be able to, what I was told, because I'm getting the runaround in Lapeer County, and I'm getting conflicting information. The chief of police of the city that this occurred told me to contact the state police. I contacted the state police. They told me that I had to have the chief of police of my city and Mike Sharkey agree to have the state police investigate. And I did this back in July, and Mike Sharkey, I sent him all my information, and he just ignored me. And this is an ongoing case that as of July, I've been acting as my own attorney. I sent him documents, and he's been ignoring me ever since July. That's a obstruction of justice. And I'm going to trial. I'm acting as my own attorney, and I'm going to trial at the end of January, and I need my police report. I can't even get a police report. I have no idea what kind of prosecutor he is. He's just covering up Lapeer County corruption.
Well, sir, you can get a police report with a FOIA request anytime.
I've tried that.
From any agency.
I've tried that, ma'am, and I handed it right to the Elmont Police, and the Elmont Police told me that I have to request it from Mike Sharkey's office, and I've been trying to do that since July.
That is not correct. You can FOIA information from any police agency or prosecutor. What's the case number, sir?
I don't have it, ma'am. This has been going on for 16 months.
And you have a court date, a trial?
Yes.
Date in January?
Yeah. It starts on believe.
What's your last name? First name? Okay, let me see if I can at least find that much in my computer. You don't have your paperwork with you?
Ma'am, I've got. This has been going on for 16 months, so I've got paperwork. I've got over 400 pages of case law, and I also have 118 evidence videos on my YouTube channel, Elmont Senior, that proves my entire case. Why don't you go take a look at it?
I'm looking at your last name of...
Ma'am.
Okay, and I see a court date. The end of January, you have a final pretrial.
Correct.
You can put anything, any type of FOIA request. Are you saying you don't have the police report?
No, I have nothing.
From our office?
No, I've tried to file complaints against 2 officers, and Mike Sharkey won't even respond. What kind of prosecutor is he?
How are you?
Email.
How are you contacting him?
I'm sending him by email, and I'm sending it to the chief of police, Andy Martin. He's not responding to me. He told me exactly how to do it. When I tried to do it, I couldn't even. It was impossible to do it.
Sir, I would recommend that perhaps you put something in writing, some sort of FOIA request, mail it certified to Lapeer County Prosecutor's Office.
No, ma'am, I'm disabled. I can't. I have no transportation, and I have no way of sending postal mail. You have to make a reasonable accommodations according to the Americans with Disabilities Act.
And have you been into court earlier?
Ma'am, no. I fired my court-appointed attorney because she was working against me, and I've been acting as my own attorney since July. And Mike Sharkey's afraid to respond to me. I caught Elmont Police, and I want to file 4 felony counts against these two officers that falsified an arrest on me, and this has been dragging on for 16 months. No one can tell me why. Now we're caught up in this COVID court, and this has been dragging on forever. And I'm guilty of nothing. And I want to file a complaint against the 2 officers that made up this entire case. And if you want proof, go on my YouTube channel, Elmont Senior, and I've got 119 evidence videos as proof.
Please don't raise your voice with me. I'm trying to help you.
No, I'm sorry, ma'am.
You have absolutely no way to mail a letter.
No, I don't. No, I don't, ma'am. I don't have transportation. I don't have legal transportation to get anywhere, and I'm disabled.
And you have no attorney. You cannot request a court-appointed attorney.
No, I don't want a court-appointed attorney. My court-appointed attorney was sabotaging me on purpose. She gave me 45 minutes.
All right, sir. Let me. I don't know where else to send your call or what to do with your call, but give me another moment. Let me see what I can do, sir. One moment.
Sharkey's covering it up, ma'am, and he's part of it.
I have suggested a mailing, certified mailing, FOIA request, letter to our office, a letter to Judge Haloka.
I've already sent a letter to Judge Haloka back in July.
How, sir, if you're not able to leave your home or get transportation, how do you intend to appear in January or February for court dates?
Ma'am, it's too long and too complicated for you to understand. Right now, I'm being transported everywhere by Lapeer County Community Mental Health people who have been extremely healthy in this entire case that's gone on for 16 months, and I was put in.
And they assist with preparing a letter and mailing it.
No, I don't need that. No, they don't. I don't need that, ma'am. What I need is transportation to get to the post office, and I have no transportation.
Can you order stamps, certified fees, something online through the post office?
I've got to get. You're saying that I got to take a package up to the post office, and I'm telling you I can't get there. And
Sir, I have given you every alternative I can.
Well, why can't I email it? What's the difference?
You said you're not getting a response that way.
I'm telling you that Sharkey isn't responding because he's part of it. He's part of covering up Lapeer County corruption. That's why I have 118 videos to prove it, ma'am. Elmont Senior YouTube channel.
Sir, I wanted to interrupt you, and I'm going to hang up. I've given you every option I can.
So you're telling me that I have to. Okay, you're telling. Hello. Great response.